Assalamu alaikum, hello everybody, welcome to 7 Minute Learning and Alamis English here. Today we will talk about pronoun and particularly personal pronoun. And what is the Bengali meaning of personal pronoun, and that is Bektigoto Sharbonam. So there are lots of classifications of personal pronoun, that is called subjective, objective, possessive pronoun. And why actually did I write down possessive adjective? Because this is related to pronoun, so that's why actually I wrote down it, because lots of students get puzzled whenever it comes to possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So that's why I wrote down that, because lots of plenty of students cannot differentiate between them. So if I write down here subjective I, and what is the objective, I will make you understand it. Objective is me, and possessive pronoun is mine. And what is possessive adjective? And that is mine. So next is, for example, if I write down here he, so what is objective? Objective pronoun is him, and possessive pronoun is his, and possessive adjective is again his. And whenever it comes to subjective, then she we can write down. We can write down here objective is her. Here possessive pronoun is, we can write down hers, and possessive adjective is just her. Clear? So I will make you understand it, don't worry. So subjective is, for example, they. Objective of they is them. So possessive pronoun is theirs, and possessive adjective is just there. So that's it. So we are talking about personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is classified into four kinds. Actually. This kind I don't recognize, but I wrote down because I told you that this is related to possessive pronoun. Am I right? So subjective, objective, possessive pronoun, and this is possessive adjective. So let's use them in sentences, then after that we will understand it better. So that's why I'm erasing this and this, so that I can make you understand better. So look at this. If I write down I love my mother, and she also loves me. She also loves me. So in this sentence, look at this sentence, I love my mother and she also loves me. So I is in the place of subject. So that is called subjective pronoun. Subjective, you can say subjective pronoun, or at the same time you can say subjective personal pronoun. So it's a subject. And look at this, mine. Mine is placed or is used before noun mother. So that's why this is called possessive adjective. So what is adjective? Adjective that modifies what? Noun or pronoun. So here my actually modifies mother. So that's why my is possessive adjective. At the same time it is placed or it is used before noun. So that's why it is not possessive pronoun, but it is possessive adjective. My mother. And she also loves me. Look at this. She also loves whom? Me. She also loves whom? So whenever it is in the place of object, so that is called objective pronoun. You understand? So this is in the place of object. So that is called objective pronoun. Now I have to make you understand what is possessive pronoun. What is the difference actually between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun? Again, I'm making you understand this sentence. Look at this. Look at the word I love my mother. Or if you say he loves his mother, you can say it, he loves his mother. So these are the subject. That means they are used in the place of subject. So that's why they are called subjective pronoun, and this is the row, and they are used in the place of object. Look at this, that's why this is called objective pronoun. And look at this, my is possessive adjective because it is used before noun. At the same time you can say you can say it is used before noun. At the same time, this word modifies what? Mother. That means my modifies mother. So that's why my is possessive adjective. So possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? I have to write down two sentences so that you understand it better. For example, if I say this is my classroom. This is my classroom where I am actually, making this video. So this is my classroom. Or you can say, this is mine. This is mine. So look at this. After possessive adjective, you need a noun. But after possessive pronoun, you don't need any noun. What is the reason? Look at this. This is my room. So this is possessive adjective. My classroom. My classroom. If I say this is mine, so when actually a person will say that, or I will say that this is mine, whenever listener and speaker both know that, what the speaker is talking about, that time you don't need to mention the noun itself. You can say this is mine. For example, this is my marker. Am I right? This is my marker. Look at the word my. So my is possessive adjective because it modifies marker. My marker. So if I say this is mine, so I don't need to mention again marker, the word, the noun. Am I right? So that's what makes actually possessive pronoun. Am I right? So I believe you understood it. We have discussed about pronoun, particularly personal pronoun. So personal pronoun can be classified into 4 groups, but one group is possessive adjective. I hope you understood it, and if you have any question, you can just put it down below. And if you have anybody, you can connect with me. The number is given on my screen, on my YouTube channel, and on my page. Assalamu alaikum.